guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make this amazing Zobo cocktail. So first we are going to make our Zobo concentrate. Here I have a kettle on the stove. I'm going to be adding half a cup of Zobo, some cinnamon stick, 1 bulb of garlic, and a few lemon slices. Into this we're going to add a cup of water, cover and let this boil for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now you take it off the heat and let it cool down until room temperature. Now we have our Zobo concentrate. Let's make a Zobo cocktail. In a glass filled with ice, add 30 ml of rum. Into that, add 60 ml of pineapple juice. Now you add 60 ml of orange juice. Lastly, add 10 ml of Zobo concentrate. Give this a good stir. If you're new here guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to click the subscribe button below so you don't miss any of my recipes. I'm adding a bit of soda into this to make it a little bit fizzy, and then you can garnish with some lime slices, some pineapples by the side. Your drink is ready to be served. Guys, you can enjoy this with friends, night out, date nights. It's so versatile. You would absolutely love it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.